Hey, what's up everybody? This is the unboxing of the Sony cheapest headphones in the market. Now this is the model number and this costs around $10 only. This headphone is made in Japan, assembled in Vietnam, so it's really good quality. The base is 104 dB, so it's good. Also the cable is 1.2 meters. Opening this box right here is kind of tricky, so all you have to do is just pull up and then you remove the plastic cover, and then how to can actually open it, you can just break everything apart, or you can just put it on the side and pull the cables that you can see from behind here, so you don't make a mess. That's it. This particular model comes with the L-shaped headphone jack, as you can see here, so yeah, it's kind of different than others. And also comes with these two tiny ear pads. Once you take out the cables from underneath, all you have to do is just pull up the right earbuds and also the left earbuds, and it's pretty simple to do. And I want to show you how it looks like from close side. So here is the earbuds, so nice, looking nice, nice to the touch, very light. It has these little holes, as you can see. Very nice design from Sony. I really commend them from such good design. These earbuds are actually pretty simple to wear. You just put it in and it sticks in, shake your heads, no problem. One last thing to note, it doesn't have a microphone, so you cannot use it for calls, but you can listen to anything you want with $10.